students, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss 4 to 7 examples in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Next, fourth example. A company wanted to manufacture 1000 hemispherical basins from a thin steel sheet. If the radius of the hemispherical basin is 21 centimeters, find the required area of steel sheet to manufacture the above hemispherical basins. So, look here. A company wanted to manufacture 1000 hemispherical basins of radius 21 centimeters each. Right? So, we have to find the area of the steel sheet required to manufacture 1000 basins of each 21 centimeters of radius. Let us find. So, here area means what we have to find? Total surface area or lateral surface area? Actually, basin is like this, no? See, this is in the shape of like this. That's why lateral surface area of the sphere only, hemisphere only we have to find. Right? Yes, given that hemispherical basins radius is equal to how much? Yes, how much? 21 centimeters. Now CSA of the hemispherical basin is equal to, yes, what is the formula? Is 2 pi r square. Total surface area means 3 pi r square only, na? Yes, this is 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into radius. R how much? 21. So 21 square means 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21, right? Yes. 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So 22 into 126. So 126 into 22 multiply. 2 6s are 12. 1 2 12s are 24. 25. Again 2 5 2. 2. Yes, 7 7 2. So this is 2772 centimeter square. Right? So curved surface area of the hemispherical basin is equal to 2772 centimeter square. Then what we have to find? Total area of the steel sheet required to manufacture 1000 hemispherical basins, no? Yes, find that. Therefore, the total area of the steel sheet required to manufacture 1000 basins is equal to 2772 into 1000. That is equal to 2772000 centimeter square. So convert into meter square. So meter square means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So convert into meter square. Then by 10,000, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So meter square means 100 into 100. 10,000 centimeters square. So that's why 2772000 by only 3 zeros only then by 10,000 meter square. So that is equal to 3 zeros get cancelled. 277.2 meter square. So this is the answer. Therefore, the total area of the steel sheet required to manufacture 1000 hemispherical basins is equal to 277.2 meter square. Next, fifth example. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeters and height 21 centimeters. Find area of the base or area of the each end, curved surface area, total surface area and volume. Here, cylinder's measurements have given base radius is 14 centimeters and its height is 21 centimeters as given. So what we have to find? Area of the base or area of each end, curved surface area, total surface area and volume we have to find. Actually, what is the shape of the base of the cylinder? Yes, it is the circular end, right? So both ends are circles, right? So area of the circle we have to find first one. Yes, first write down, given that cylinders radius is equal to, radius r is equal to how much? Yes, 14 centimeters. Next height h is equal to how much? Yes, 21 centimeters. First one, area of the base. Area of the base. Base means here, yes, circle. Is equal to what is the formula? Yes, exactly, pi r square. Area of the base is pi r square. That is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Yes, 14 no? 14 into 14. 14 square no? So 7 2s are 14. Right. 14 2s are 28. 28 22s are. See 28 22s are. 2 28 are 56. How much? 616. 616 centimeter square. So area of the base is 616 centimeter square. Now find the second one, CSA. Second one is curved surface area. Surface area. Yes, what is the formula? Yes, what? Yes, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 14 into height, how much? 21. Yes, 7 in 21 how many times? 3 times get cancelled. 2 3s are 6. 6 14s are 84. Yes, 84 into 22. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Again 168. How much? 8 4 8 1. So that is equal to 1848 centimeter square. So this is curved surface area, CSA. Next, total surface area, third one. Total surface area, TSA is equal to what is the formula? Is 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 14 into r plus h. Radius is 14 plus height is, yes, 21. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 35, right? Yeah. So 7 in 35, 5 times get cancelled here. Next, 14 22s are. See here, 2 5s are 10. Next, 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28 plus 2, 30. Again 2 5s are 10 no? 10 into 308, 3080 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of the given solid. Understood? Next, finally what we have to find? Yes, volume. Volume is equal to what is the formula? Yes, pi r square h. Pi r square h is, yes, 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14 into height is, yes, 21. Yes, 7 3s are 21. 14 14s are, yes, 196. The 22 3s are 66. 66 into 196, let us find. 196 into 66. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 9s are 54, 57, 5, 6 1s are 6, plus 5 11. Again 11, 76. Add 6, 3, 9, 2, 1. So this is 12,936 centimeter cube. Understood about the calculations? Next, yes. Example 6. Find the volume and surface area of a sphere of radius 2.1 centimeters. Find the volume and surface area of the sphere of radius 2.1 centimeters. Yes, let us find. Yes, given that sphere's radius is how much? Radius is equal to Yes, 2.1 centimeters has given, right? 2.1 centimeters. Now, surface area of the sphere. Yes, here surface area means total surface area or lateral surface area? Surface area means, yes, both are equal in a sphere, right? There will be no total surface area, no lateral surface area. Both are surface areas only. Both are equal. So that is what is the formula? Is 4 pi r square. Understood? That is equal to 4 into pi how much? 22 by 7 into r square, 2.1 whole square. 2.1 whole square means 2.1 into 2.1. So for better calculations, write like this: 4 into 22 by 7 into, this is 21 by 10, no? So after the point one digit is there, that's why by 10 we have to keep. So into 21 by 10. 7 how many times here? 7 3s are 21, right? Yes, that is equal to, see, 4 3s are 12. 12 21s are 21, 12s are 12 1s are 12, 1, 12 2s are 24, 25 into 22, into 22. See, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5. Again 5 0 4. How much? 4, 4, 5, 5. So this is equal to 5 5 4 4 by how much? 2 zeros are there. Here 10 into 10 will be 100. So here in denominator 2 zeros are there in 100. So that's why we have to keep the point before 2 digits now. So 55.44 centimeter square. 55.44 centimeter square. Understood clearly? Yes. Next, volume. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, 4/3 pi r cube. So that is equal to 4 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1, right? So for better calculation, write down like this: 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, this is 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. Right? 7 in 21 how many times? 3 times get cancelled. 3 also get cancelled. 21 21s are, yes, 441. 400, and here I'll write 441. Next, into 4 22s are, yes, exactly 88, no? 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 3 is there, 8 4s are 32 plus 3, 35. Again with the 8 means 3 5 2 8 will come. Add 8 0 8 8 3. So that is equal to 38808 by, here 10 into 10 into 10 means, yes, 1000, right? Here how many zeros are there after 1? 3 zeros, no, in denominator. So we have to keep the point before 3 digits. So that is equal to 38.808 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube this is. Understood or not? So why? Because of this is volume, no? We have to write the units as cubes. Understood clearly? Yes. Next, 7th example. Find the volume and the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeters. So here hemisphere has given of radius 3.5 centimeters. We have to find the volume and total surface area also. Right? First write down. Given that hemisphere's radius r is equal to how much? Yes, 3.5 centimeters. Next, volume is equal to, yes, what is the formula of volume of the hemisphere? Is 2/3 pi r cube, isn't it? So that is equal to 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius how much? 3.5 whole cube, na? 3.5 whole cube means 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. So that is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, for better calculation, write like this one, 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10, right? Yes, why? Because here after the point there is only one digit na, so that's why I kept 10 only. If it has a two digits of the point, we have to keep 2 zeros, which means 100. Understood? Yeah. So that is equal to, now cancel 7 5s are 35. Again 5 in 10, 2 times get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, right? So now 22 into 35 into 35 by 3 do. So 35 is a, yes, 12 25, right? 5 5s are 25, 3 next number 4 no. So 3 4s are 12. 12 25 into 22. 12 25 into 22, how much? 2 5s are 10, 1 2 2s are 4, 5 2 12s are 24. Again with 2 means 2 4 5 0 only will come. 0 5 9 6 2. So divided by 3 do. Divided by 3, how many times get cancelled? 3 8s are 24. 2 is there. 2 9s, 3 9s are 27. Again 2 is there. 3 8s are 24. 1 is there. 8 9 8 3. Point 3 will come. Directly I am writing 8 9 8 3. So by here 10 tens are 100 we have to keep. So that is equal to 89.83. Why? Because in denominator there is 100 no. So before 2 digits we have to keep the point. So 89.83 here centimeter cube we have to write. Why? Because it is a volume no. So centimeter cube. Understood clearly? Next total surface area. Total surface area. What is the formula? TSA of the hemisphere. CSA means, yes, how much? 2 pi r square. TSA means 3 pi r square. So this is 3 pi r square. That is equal to 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. 3.5 whole square means 3.5 into 3.5. Right? 7 in 35 actually 5 times get cancelled na. So in 3.5 means 0.5 times. 0.5 times. Now multiply with 35 5s are. Yes, 35. 3 5s are actually 15. 15 into 35. 35 into 15, how much? 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 3s are 45, 52. 52 and 3 into 0.5 into 3.5 we have completed. With 22 we have to multiply. With 22. 2 5s are 2, 25s are 50. 2 5s are 10. Again 10, 50. Put 0, 5, 5, 1, 1. So this is equal to 11,550 has come. So here observe carefully. After the point there is one digit. Here after the point there is another digit. Totally 2 digits are there. So that's why we have to keep the point before 2 digits, which means 0, 5, this one here. So that is equal to, final answer is 115.5 centimeter square. Here area means square only. Units with square. Volume is units with cube. Understood clearly this one? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.